Hey, Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. Hey, a great New Year's resolution would be to have an organized, clean garage and/or basement for the upcoming year. Number one, get out your old yellow tablet you used to use in school and a pencil or a pen and sit down and make a list of what you want to achieve in your garage or your basement. What you want to keep, what you want to discard, what you want to organize and put back up on shelves or cabinets. That's number one, figure out what you want to do. Number two is what are you going to do with all your belongings when you're having everything pulled apart? So either you're going to take your materials out of your garage and put it in your basement, or you can get a pod, get everything moved out. Then you have a clean canvas to what you can do with your garage or your basement. Number three is what are you doing? Are you putting up fresh sheetrock? Do you need to finish off something? Or are you just painting and freshening up everything you have? Number four would be the lighting. What are you doing? Are you going to keep the jelly jars that you currently have? You want to put some LEDs in those existing fixtures? Or you want to put all brand new, flat panels, LED, and brighten up your garage so you can actually see what you're doing. Number five would be the flooring. What you doing with your floor? You're going to sweep it, clean it, and keep that? Or do you want to grind it and then put a coating down, a two-part epoxy? Or do you want to take it up a step and put a two-part epoxy, tin it, and then put your flakes and a couple coats of gel? That's what we do in our garages. All these steps are nice, but you can start with the basics. So again, I wanted to thank everybody for watching the Bob Carr Show. Wish everybody a great new year. And as always, hit the like button below and we'll talk to you next week.